normal multimeter, insulation testers use a much higher voltage to test for a resistance leak. If I press the test button here, you can see that the meter attached to the Mega is giving a reading of well over 500 volts, whereas a multimeter would typically use 9 volts to measure. Therefore, a Mega is more likely to show a failing element that is tripping the fuse board. Now, safety first, always unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. The next thing you need to do is to isolate the component that you're wanting to test. What I have in front of me is a range of elements. We have a grill element, a dishwasher element, 2 washing machine elements, and a fan oven element. To test these components, grab your 2 probes. What I'll do is I'll start with a washing machine element that I know is good and new and shouldn't show any faults. Attach 1 probe to the metalwork of the component and the second to the electrical connector on the element and press test. Now, the reading I'm getting here is over 1,000 megohms. Therefore, there is no resistance within the component and the component is fine. If I do the same test on the fan oven element, again, connecting 1 probe to the metalwork and the other to the electrical connector and press test once more, you can see it has a reading of 7.6 megohms. If you have a reading of less than 2 megohms, this will mean that the component is very likely to be tripping your electrical board at home. Whereas this one has a reading less than 1,000 megohms, but not as low as 2 megohms, it means that although there is a fault in this component, given time, it may develop into something that does trip your electrical board.